In this video clip, we will cover creating a data mover job in the UI. In this time it will be a static job and it will copy a number of tables between two specific systems. So the first thing we'll do, I'm on the Viewpoint server right now, so I will go ahead and I will maximize the data mover portlet. Once that's up, you'll see I've got a number of jobs I've already run before, and I will now create a new job. And for this job, I'm going to select a source system. And I'm going to go from Chile to the target. I will select as Astro. And we're going to go to the sources. Now the database I want under DBC, I happen to know is on page 3, the last page. The database I want is TDM, so I'll come down to the TDM database right here and expand it, and then look for the PC tables. I've got 4 of these tables. I've got the customer, items, periods, and sales. We can look at the job summary, and you'll see that it shows all 4 tables, and it shows that they're going from Chile to Astro. Let's just look at the job settings. The only one I want to change here is the use user ID pool. The advantage of using the user ID pool is that you now allow Data Mover itself to manage a pool of users that you've already created on the target table. Well, you can create them on the source and target, but it's mainly on the target. And then if Data Mover believes that using Arc is the best utility to use for performance, then it will select individuals from this dedicated pool so that we can have multiple jobs running at the same time. Now, one other thing we're going to go to on this page is the advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you'll get by default data streams of 1 and source sessions of 1. Data stream is fine. I'm going to change the source sessions to 2 and the target sessions to 4. You always, well, I say always, you generally want more target sessions. That's where the effort, most of the effort takes place. And I'll say OK to that. I've created my job. I now want to save this. It's going to ask me for the job name, and we'll call it TDM Demo. And I'm going to change the username to TDM_user0 and put in the appropriate password for that user. Everything else is good, so I'll now save that. You'll notice that there wasn't any request for a target username and password because we did elect to use a pool of users. So we only need to know about the source user. And right now, Data Mover was validating all those definitions and saving that definition. So now we have created a job, and let's see if we can see it here. TDM Demo, and there it is. And now from this we could run it directly in the UI, or edit it, or delete it, or preview it. Well, we're not going to run it at this point because the idea was to create the static job, and then we'll invoke it when we need to, and you'll see that in a later clip. So that ends this clip right now.